Hello dear friend, welcome to the Tourism with Sitare Dan channel. In this video, we intend to challenge your knowledge. Despite being confident that you are a genius, let's go and explore the visual question related to this video together. The images you're seeing, which famous world tourist attraction do they belong to? Is it Bora Islands in France or Appenzellerland in Swiss? From this very moment, you have only 10 seconds to identify the correct answer. Ten seconds are up, and the answer to our question is the Appenzellerland in Swiss. About Appenzellerland. Appenzellerland, situated in Switzerland, is a captivating region known for its scenic beauty and rich culture. With rolling hills, traditional Swiss chalets, and lush meadows, it epitomizes the picturesque Swiss landscape. The area seamlessly blends nature and tradition, offering pristine lakes, charming villages, and stunning alpine vistas. Appenzellerland invites travelers to experience the serene harmony between its natural surroundings and the traditional Swiss way of life, making it a charming destination for those seeking an enchanting escape. If you're eager to explore fascinating information about Appenzellerland and its surrounding attractions, or if you're interested in a comprehensive guide for an enchanting journey to this magical destination, be sure to click on the video you see in the image. But that's not the whole story. In this video, you'll also get acquainted with the beloved international superstar of tennis and one of the geniuses in the world of sports, Roger Federer. You'll gain sweet insights into his biography and the amazing secrets behind his success that will undoubtedly be captivating for you. If you enjoyed the video, please share it with your friends and kindly support us with likes and comments. Additionally, by pressing the subscribe button and setting the notification bell to all, stay promptly informed about our new videos.